Hello, my name is Julian Johnston and I'd like to welcome you to 15 Palm Avenue, Miami Beach 33139. It was just finished in January 2018 and listed for $22.5 million, and I'd like to take you on a tour today. Over 10,000 square feet of living area, near 18,000 square foot lot with 112 feet on waterfront, 7 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms and 1 half bathroom. The island amenities include off-duty police officer for security, tennis courts, basketball courts and children's playground. Call me today to take a tour.